What's going on, YouTube? Back again, another Fat Guy Builds, doing a Ford Escape EVAP purge valve type silly thing. It goes wrong on all these 4-cylinder turbo motors. It's not that big of a deal. Let's just change it. So let's do this step by step. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. Hit like, share, and all that crap. And if I save you some money by showing you how to do this, maybe hit me up on Patreon for $1 a month. Here's the part number from AutoZone, PV962. Here's what the part looks like. And it's pretty much, you're just replacing this piece here. It's more or less what you're doing. Pull up and pop off the engine cover. Unplug the air temp sensor. Use an 8mm. Remove this screw and this screw. And this screw, and there's a screw back here, so you can take this part of the air box off. Remove the air filter. There's this clip here on the intake tube, and there's two little green pieces here. You're going to grab it on both sides, push it down like that. Now you can push the top piece and it'll come off. Going around the top, you got these clips. I'm going to use a flathead, sort of pry it up, get that disconnected. You have one over here on the left, and you're just going to pry and wiggle till it's off. Pull this little flap here where the airbox has these tubes, like so. You're going to loosen this clamp up here. And if you can, loosen this one, but that one for sure. Then you pull up on this air box, and there should be two mounts that hold it in, just grommets, and give it a nice little tug, and then disconnect it from here. Pull the air box out. Underneath the intake tube, there's a solenoid. You're just gonna push the tab here and lift it up, disconnecting it from the wiring harness. This tube here connects down in the intake manifold. See, I'm wiggling it, and it's going to be the same style green clip as this one here. So you're going to have to feel in there, push these two little green tabs, and then push this and pull it off. There's one clip that this goes to back there, and I think we can get to it without taking all this crap off. We're just going to take off this mid intake pipe, which is one bolt here, and then the one clamp over here. Just use a flathead over there for the clamp. I also found it easier to cut the ends in between each connector. It's easier to get it off. Getting it on is going to be easy because you just push and it clips in, like super easy. But getting them off, you need to be able to push the little button to release the latch and all that. So just cut them to get them off. There's another one down there on the throttle body. See the green? So we need to get that one for this bracket that holds this piece. I just left it in and slide this rubber grommet on this part off of the new one, and you're just gonna push it on to the old one. Now we're to the part where we gotta put all this together, which is gonna be a lot easier. See how the clips are already out? So make sure your clips are out. There, and we're going to start with the part with the valve first. You're going to fish it in and then push the valve onto the bracket, and then the first connection we're going to do is that through the back, through here. Push it down till you hear it click, and then squeeze the green clip. Take this plug, and you're going to plug it onto the solenoid, Next, we're gonna run the one that goes down to the throttle body. Throttle body is the one on the right here. So I'll just sort of move this hose out of the way, like so, and then scratch your arm, forearm, and everything to get down there, and push it on and push the green clip. Got that one clipped on now. Take this left side now, and you're gonna feed it through over here, and see it there? You're gonna get it in, so coming through the side. You hear that clip? It's clipped. Push that green clip. Now you're gonna hook it back where it was. One goes there. One goes there. One goes there. And now it's mostly in. Make sure to have these little hooks that came with it. It's just to hold the other lines. So just hook that. Then we can put this intake pipe back in. Plug this piece back into the intake pipe. Put the air box back in. Put the cover back in, and the job's done. I'd like to thank everybody for coming and checking out another Fat Guy Builds. Hopefully this helped you out. Till next time, wrench on.